This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. I'd like to please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on, and let me know how I'm getting on as well. I'd like feedback of all types. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Let's get on with it. Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to stage 89 of building Eleanor from Gone in 60 Seconds. In this issue, we're starting properly on the bodywork. We got this last time, the big, hefty, meaty front fender. This time we've got the front end, which we're going to attach to the front of the fender, thusly. We're going to need 2 screws to do it. They supply us with lots. So we'll get 2 of those out from there. We'll get 1 of those out from there and another one. There you go. Put that in my ever-growing pile of spare screws from this part of the build. And we'll get that in there like so. It lines up and sort of clicks in place anyway. So it's pretty much going to have to line up. Let's get that on there and get the other one in as well. I think the next couple of stages of this build are pretty straightforward and easy. We've got this to do. Next time, I think we're doing the same as this on the other side. And then in the first part of the next delivery, we've got the huge body shell that we've got to attach this to. So lots going on. Get that tightened up nicely onto there, because this is going to be holding things together. There you go. Nice and secure. And that is that. We've got a start to the front of the car. I do like it. It's coming together nicely. You've even got some little ridge detail down here, rivet details along there. This being quite meaty and substantial. So yeah, that is that. Thank you very much for joining me. I'll see you soon for more. Bye bye for now.